In this video, I will show you how to work the alternating double crochet join. This is a decorative open join which you can use to seam two pieces of crochet together, and we use it when we assemble our Hot in Here dress. Today I'm using WOOLANDTHEGANG's Shiny Happy cotton yarn in the Cameo Rose colourway, and I'll be using a 5mm crochet hook. Let's get started. Take the two pieces of crochet that you want to join together and sit them on top of each other so that the wrong sides are touching. Arrange them so that the square on the bottom is slightly higher up, so you can see the top edge above the top edge of this square. Take your yarn on your hook and attach your yarn to the corner space in the square on the top. And attach it like so. Now you're going to chain 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And next you're going to work 3 double crochet stitches into the corner chain space on this square. So take your yarn around your hook and work 1, 2, 3 double crochet stitches, like so. Next, you're going to work 3 double crochet stitches into the next chain space along on your bottom square. Once you've worked your 3 double crochet stitches, you're now going to work 3 in the top square. Each time working 1 chain space along to join the 2 pieces together. And you should be able to see that you're beginning to join them using these alternating blocks of double crochet stitches, working into each chain space in turn and alternating between each of your pieces. So now that you've worked your 3 double crochet stitches on the square on the top, you're going to work into the square on the bottom, going into the next chain space. And now you're going to work 3 into the next chain space along. And just keep repeating these steps until your 2 pieces are completely joined. And when you have just 1 chain space remaining and you've completely joined your 2 pieces, just work 1 double crochet stitch into that last chain space. And now you can cut your yarn, pull on the loop on your hook, and there you have it. There is the alternating double crochet join.